Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the cube root of 35,937 using prime factorization method. So let's start by dividing this number by prime numbers to find the factors or prime factors of this number. So as this is an odd number, it is not divisible by first prime number 2. Let's divide this number by number 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, then 2 is remainder. This becomes 29. 3 times 9 is 27. 2 is remainder. This becomes 23. 3 times 7 is 21. Again 2 is remainder. This becomes 27. And 3 times 9 is 27. Divided by 3. Let's divide it by 3 again. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 is remainder. This becomes 29. 3 times 9 is 27. Again 2 is remainder. Becomes 27. 3 times 9 is 27 and 3 times 3 is 9. Again we can divide it by 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. Now 1331 is not divisible by number 3. It is also not divisible by 5 and 7. So let's divide it by number 11. 11 times 1 is 11. 2 is remainder. This becomes 23. 11 times 2 is 22. 1 is remainder. This becomes 11. 11 times 1 is 11. Now 121 is again divisible by 11. 11 times 1 is 11. 1 is remainder. This becomes 11. And now 11 is divisible by 11. 11 times 1 is 11. So let's write 35,937 as the product of its factors, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 11 times 11. Now to find the cube root of 35,937, we'll take the cube root on both sides. So this is cube root of 35,937 and here too cube root of all these factors. As we are taking the cube root, we can write these factors as exponents. So this is 11 cube and 3 cube. Now as these are in the cube root sign, this cube root gets cancelled with cube numbers inside. So cube root of 35,937 is 3 times 11. So cube root of 35,937 equals 3 times 11, which is 33. So this is how we find the cube root using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.